how to run an HTML file or HTML files in Visual Studio Code. So first you want to open up your Visual Studio Code project where you have your HTML file or files. And with your file selected, which is this one right here, page.html, you want to go to run and then start debugging or press F5 directly. And then it should open up the page directly on your browser. In this case, my main browser is Chrome. It should open up on your main browser, and you can see the content of your HTML page like this. And on the left side, you can see the variables, the watch page, and the call stack if you have functions and stuff going on. You can also expand these windows to see the loaded scripts and the breakpoints for debugging, or you can go to run and then stop debugging and run without debugger, and this should open up the Google Chrome page directly without the debugger. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful. See you on the next one.